Okay, so here I'm going to edit the search criteria. I'm in Search and Explore here. And I've got this, stocks and trading accounts with these words in their profile, stock trading scanner using these words. You can only go back, like 29 June is the latest we can go. Today's July 20th, so about 20 days you can go back, but not any further. So I've got my follower account. I'm going to change it just a little bit. And okay, so then I'm going to click Save. And now it's going to do this processing. And I imagine it's grabbing it off the database, the Fedica database at this point. But maybe not. But I don't see how you can process all of Twitter in about 30 seconds, which is what this is going to take. So we got more progress, processing. Alright, so now we've got our list. Let me restart this video because sometimes it screws up if it's too long. But anyway, so now we have our list, and I can say select all. We got 164 accounts. And here it is, page 1. The first guy is 110,000 followers. Take that back. No, let's sort this. We need to sort it by, I'm going to sort it by follower account. And update. And it's going to process a little bit. Okay, so now they're all in order. So this first guy is 112 on page 1. The last one on page 1 has 39K. Okay, so and then on page 2, it's still in order because the last one was 39. This one starts at 38 and goes all the way down to 22K. All right. And page 3, see, 22K was when the last page 2 ended, so we're all in order here. But if I send this selection to add to a list, okay, and I'm going to create a new one, I'm just going to say test list. I'm going to make it a Fedica list, which will be really fast. Create and upload. It's done, all right? Now, if I go to lists, manage lists, and I go to my test list here, right? Now the order's all screwed up, okay? Because now on page 1 I got a guy at 98,000 followers, and it is in order on this page. It goes down to 114K, right? This is page 1. Now page 2 starts off here 112K followers, right? And ends at Jesus, really? Ends at 14K. Okay, this is page 2. So page 3 goes to 99K again. See, it's in order on each page, but the whole list has been split into 4 pieces that are not in order anymore. Okay, so what I'm trying to do is go from the highest followers to the lowest. I'm trying to process these guys, look at them, and maybe, talk to them. So the only way to do that is to go back to Search and Explore, and this is where they are in order. I can sort by, again, I'll just sort by, well, I need to select all. Select all. Sort by. I wonder what this is. Sort by influence. Maybe I should be going by influence instead of follower count. I don't know. But anyway, let's sort by follower account. How it's going to process. Okay, and now my list is in order. So I can go from this guy to this guy to this guy, go all the way, because he's at 112, go all the way down at the end of the, 57K, 44K, 43K, and then get down to a guy with 39K. And now I can go to page 2, and then page 2, it's gonna give me the okay, from 39 it's going to go to 38 and on down, so I can go all the way down to the end. each page. The whole list is in order here. And if I wanted to process them by follower count, which is what I'm doing, then this is how I have to do it. I cannot do it from a list. Alright,